If OneNote is showing a saved offline error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick way to fix it and get your notes syncing again. This is a super common issue, especially when the desktop app gets stuck trying to connect to the cloud. The good news is that in many cases, you can force OneNote to re-establish the connection in just a couple of steps. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Now let's get into it. First, make sure your local OneNote desktop application is still open in the background. You don't need to close it right away because we want OneNote to stay available while we refresh the connection. Next, open your browser and go to OneNote For The Web. Once you're inside your notebook online, look at the top ribbon menu and find the Open in Desktop App button. Click that button to launch the notebook in the desktop version again. This step forces a fresh security handshake between the browser, the desktop app, and Microsoft's cloud services. In many cases, that breaks the stuck offline state and relinks your app directly to the cloud server. After that, check whether your notes begin syncing properly. If the error disappears, then the issue was likely just a broken connection that needed to be refreshed. But if the force link method does not work, there is another very common cause, and that is cloud storage space. When your OneDrive storage is full, OneNote cannot upload new data, and it may keep showing an offline or sync error even though your app is working normally. To check this, go to your OneDrive storage settings and verify how much space you have left. If your storage is maxed out, you'll need to free up space before OneNote can sync again. You can do this by deleting unnecessary files, emptying the recycle bin, or upgrading your storage plan if needed. Once you have available space again, return to OneNote and try syncing one more time. In most cases, either the desktop app relink or the storage check will solve the problem. So to recap, keep the OneNote desktop app open, use Open in Desktop app from OneNote For The Web to refresh the connection, and if that doesn't fix it, check your OneDrive storage because a full cloud account can block syncing. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a quick fix like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.